Here's Kitten exploring my bedroom. She hasn't got to explore the bedroom much. Come here. She's pretty happy to be able to run free, I think. I don't know what she's doing. She's being silly. I'm putting her in here while I take a shower, so she doesn't jump in the shower. Max isn't too happy over there. He's trying to get in. She's just exploring. You don't scratch that. Come here. Come here. Come here, little girl. Come here. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. You're so silly. Kittens are so crazy. No. Max, it's okay, baby. Goodness. Come here. Well, I gotta go take a shower and work on my paper. But I wanted to show her a little exploring. I can't wait till she gets to see the cat condo in the living room. I wanted her to get some sunlight. Goodness, Max, goodness. Who is that in the mirror? Good. Come here. Oh my goodness. Okay, chill. Jeez. Goodness. Kittens are nuts. Don't tear up anything in here while I'm gone, okay?